Hello everyone! Today, we are diving into an issue that affects millions of people worldwide, auto traffic. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Shane Baroga from Tourism Management, and I'm thrilled to be sharing with you today about the issue that many of us face, auto traffic, an essential aspect of our daily lives, but also a growing challenge in urban areas. With the increase in car ownership, the complexity of managing traffic flow, reducing congestion, and maintaining road safety has become more critical than ever. In this presentation, we'll explore the factors contributing to traffic issues, the impact it has on the environment and quality of life, and some innovative solutions that could help us get on the road to a smoother and more efficient future. So, sit back, listen, and enjoy learning. Let's define what is auto traffic. Auto traffic refers to the movement of vehicles such as cars, trucks, buses, and motorcycles on roadways. It involves the flow of vehicles as they travel from one place to another, whether for commuting, business, or leisure purposes. Auto traffic can vary depending on the number of vehicles on the road, the type of roads, and external factors like weather or accidents. When vehicle numbers exceed the capacity of the road, it leads to traffic congestion, causing delays, longer commute times, and increased fuel consumption. Efficient management of auto traffic is important to ensure smooth transportation, safety, and minimal environmental impact. Let's now move on to the causes of auto traffic. Auto traffic is caused by several factors. First, too many cars on the road can easily lead to traffic as cities grow and more people rely on cars. The number of vehicles on the road increases, leading to overcrowding. Second, accidents and breakdowns are another significant cause, as they block lanes and cause delays. Third, construction zones or roadwork can reduce the available road space, slowing down traffic. Fourth, traffic signals and intersections can also be bottlenecks if not well managed, leading to inefficient flow. Fifth, weather conditions like heavy rain can make driving difficult and slow down traffic. Lastly, poor road infrastructure and lack of public transportation options often force more people to drive, contributing to more traffic. Here are the examples of auto traffic. Traffic during rush hour, traffic caused by an accident, construction zone traffic, holiday traffic on major roads, traffic due to poor weather conditions, and traffic lights and signals. Auto traffic has a significant impact on both our daily lives and the environment. On a personal level, traffic congestion leads to longer commute times, which means more time spent in the car and less time for work, family, or leisure. It can also cause stress and frustration, affecting our overall well-being. Environmentally, heavy traffic leads to higher air pollution due to more vehicles emitting carbon dioxide and other harmful gases. This contributes to climate change and poor air quality, which can harm health. Additionally, fuel waste increases when cars are stuck in traffic, leading to higher costs and more resource consumption. Overall, the more congested the roads, the worse the impact on both people and the planet. Several solutions can help reduce auto traffic and its impacts. One effective approach is improving public transportation, making it more convenient and accessible to encourage people to use buses, trains, or bikes instead of driving. Carpooling is another great way to reduce the number of vehicles on the road. Smart traffic management systems, like adaptive traffic lights, can help manage traffic flow more efficiently. Additionally, investing in better road infrastructure can reduce bottlenecks and improve travel times. We can also promote electric cars and autonomous vehicles, which could reduce congestion and lower environmental impacts. Lastly, encouraging remote work and flexible hours helps cut down on daily traffic by reducing the number of commuters. Auto traffic is something we all deal with daily, and it's more than just a hassle. It has a big impact on our lives and the environment. Congestion leads to longer commutes, more stress, and wasted fuel, while also contributing to air pollution. It happens because of too many cars, accidents, and poor road systems. But what the good news? Solutions like better public transportation, carpooling, smart traffic lights, and improved infrastructure can make a huge difference. Plus, with electric and self-driving cars on the horizon, there's a hope for a future where traffic flows more smoothly and our roads are cleaner. In conclusion, while auto traffic is a challenge we face every day, there's a plenty of hope on the horizon. With smarter solutions, better planning, and innovative technologies, we can reduce congestion, improve our daily commutes, and create a cleaner, more efficient future. Let's keep pushing for change because smoother roads and a healthier environment benefit us all. Thank you for your time and attention. Have a great day, everyone.